something done here as he heads out of turn 4. Sees the white flag. He has got one left. That puts Jason Leffler up for carries. Leffler is the slowest of that pack. That lap was 128.832 miles per hour. He needs to pick it up as he comes out of 4. Leffler